Okay, the area we need to monitor is this big slab. So pitch the ladder so it catches it. So if there was any movement on that slab at all, then it would alert the WASP. Put the bracket on, continuing to watch the hazard. Ensure that the bracket is nice and tight, and also the surface of the bracket is clean where the magnet attaches. Once it's on, give it a test. Take the WASP, make sure the magnet's clean on the bottom, put it onto the bracket, set the range of movement, and ensure by waiting for a maximum of 30 seconds that the unit calibrates. The WASP is now set for calibration. We know that because it's going to flash once every 15 seconds. So if this slab moves through 1 degree, left, right, back, forward towards the rescue crews, it will alarm. Now I'm going to replicate that happening by bringing the ladder towards the rescue team. The WASP alarms. To reset the alarm, we simply turn the unit on, press the set button, shut the lid and wait for it to recalibrate because it's now in a new position. To find out more, go to wasprescue.com or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.